Is one skill enough to earn a lot of money, and I would say to build your personal brand in 2026? See, what happened is, let us all assume that we know Raj Sharmani. Who is he? He's one of the biggest India's podcaster. What he used to do, he used to sell soaps door to door. But then he explored, okay, I have great communication skills. Now, when he explored it, he cannot just stop at one point, okay, I'm good at communication skills. He knew that, okay, if I am good at communication skills, means with this particular skill, I can help other people. And so, what did he do? He started making podcasts. With his great communication skills, he tried to communicate with the biggest leaders and influencers and entrepreneurs and provided the value of knowledge, of information to this world. And today he's known for that thing. Now you see Elon Musk. Now he has one skill. He learned coding, and that was his particular skill. But did he just stop there? Definitely not. He kept learning coding and make something valuable out of that skill. So it's really important, if you have a skill, what value you are giving with that particular skill. You don't just have to stop and just speak it out every time, okay, I have this skill, I have that skill. If you have the skill, then you should know how to present it and how to make it valuable in such a form so that the world can know you. It can know you, it can respect you, and it can say, okay, so this person is perfect for this particular thing. This is how big brands and personal brands are built.